Hey, what's up? Most likely you already know about GearBest online store. Our channel Tech Brothers is cooperating with GearBest for about 2 years. This is our regular partner, which offers products for reviews and allows to earn money through a referral program. In this video I want to tell you about the GearBest referral program and how to make money at home. This is a guide about GearBest affiliate program, how to register, to create referral links, and to withdraw money to PayPal, bank card, etc. Let's start from the very beginning. What do you need to earn on GearBest affiliate program? In fact, you can earn on any platforms with active people. It can be YouTube channel like me, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, as well as websites and blogs. For example, if you watch a new video about Xiaomi smartphone and there is a link to GearBest in description or comments under the video, then this is definitely a referral link, and the author gets a percentage from the sales. We are working the same way, it's not a secret. Buying through our links in description under the videos, you help us to earn money, so we can buy new gadgets to make reviews and create interesting content. So if you have website, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram or any other page in social media with active people, then you can join GearBest affiliate program. First, you need to visit GearBest affiliate program page. I will leave the link in description. If you already have account on GearBest online store, then just click on Login and select GB Login with GearBest. If you don't have account, it's time to create it. Click on Join Free Now. Enter your email and password. Now you have to enter your first name, last name and other information about you and your platform. By the way, here you can see the full list of platforms that you can use to share referral links, such as blogs, forum, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and many other. After you have filled out everything, click on this button and wait until GearBest confirmed your account. Usually it takes no more than 1 day. You will receive the email with confirmation of your account and then you can start earning. So this is how GearBest affiliate program looks like in 2019. Here you can see your sale amount for the last month as well as commission, available balance, etc. The first thing you should do is to add your payment information. For that you should click on Payment Center and then add a new account. You have to choose account type, PayPal, WebMoney, bank or GearBest account. Then enter information about your account. You can click on View Example to see an example how to enter information. This is especially useful for a bank account, because there are many details. Click on Submit and that's all. Let's take a look at all tabs in order. We have already seen the main tab, the next one is Ad Center. This panel is designed to create referral links as well as search for new products, discount, sales, etc. There are featured promotions, ongoing promotions, top brands, hottest deals, new arrivals, high commission products, coupons. If you have a website or blog and you don't want to change a banner every week, then you can create dynamic ads. The banner will change automatically depending on sales or discounts on GearBest. Perhaps the most important page on GearBest affiliate program is Custom Link Generator. It allows you to make a referral link to any products on GearBest. You just need to enter the link and give it the name. You can create text link or image link. After you have created referral links and started sharing them, you need to track conversations and sale. The next step, Reports, is for that. Click on Reports and Performance to see clicks, sale amount, order count, and other information. Also, you can click on Add Report and see details about each link. How many people followed on it and how many orders did they do. Order Report page allows tracking the orders, which one are confirmed and which one are cancelled. If you have already earned at least $60, then you can draw them. For that you need to select Payment Center and Withdrawals. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal is $100, WebMoney is also $100, but bank transfer is $1,000. You can also withdraw your earning in coupon and buy something on GearBest. The last page is Product Review. You can get the product on review for free. Unfortunately, the quantity of products is limited, but they changed every week. This is good bonus to make money at home. That's all. Perhaps this is all you need to know about GearBest affiliate program. If you have any questions, then read Help Center or you can write comments under this video. We will try to answer all your questions. Also, I will leave the links to text tutorials about GearBest affiliate program in description under the video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.